A big hello to everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and watching my videos. So now, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And you know what? Our today's topic is I love to eat. So let's start our class. So what can you see here? There are so yummy foods here, isn't it? And all these foods are my favorite fruit. That is why I have pasted the pictures of these foods. Okay. Now our activity is you have to draw or paste pictures of your favorite food which you love to eat. You have to, you can draw also or you can paste also your favorite food pictures. Okay. Like my favorite food is strawberry. In fruits, I love to eat strawberries. Okay. And in junk food, in unhealthy food, I love to eat French fries. I love to eat French fries. And in healthy food, in homemade food, I love to eat dal and rice. Okay. These all are my favorite food. You will taste and you will draw your favorite food in this box. Okay. So children, let me tell you one thing. You should eat all types of food. You should eat variety of food. It's not bad you are eating just fruits or just bad food, that is junk food. No, we should not eat junk food. Okay. We should also eat our homemade food, that is dal, rice, chapati, sprouts, which is healthy for us. Okay. And you should daily eat one fruit, be it any fruit, be it apple, orange, banana, papaya, pineapple, anything. You should eat one fruit daily. Okay. So you can become healthy and stronger like me. Okay. Because I also eat all the fruits every day. Promise me that you will also eat fruit daily. Because it is very important for your growth. Okay. And then comes vegetables. Vegetables are also very healthy for us, especially green vegetables, green leafy ones like spinach, like methi, like lady's finger. All these vegetables are very healthy for us. Okay. So promise me that you will eat vegetables and fruits daily. Very good. Now, do this homework at your home and you can take the help of your mother also. Okay. Now, I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.